Hi there, welcome to Beards by Jeremiah, and I am Jeremiah. Now today we're just going to vaguely touch on a topic about necklines. Now if you're like me, I started growing my beard about 4 or 5 years ago, and the big question for me was the neckline. Where do I stop shaving? How far down my neck do I go? When I started growing my beard, I grew the front of it and I cut it at the chin because that's what I was used to. And I would just shave the neck, keep the neck nice and clean. And about a year into it, I noticed it started having a funny looking shape. It looked real transparent and it was just really thin and it didn't look good. So what I started doing was going online, doing a lot of research, looking at pictures of guys with big beards. If I ever caught a glimpse of a guy with a beard, I try to find out where his neckline is. So what I found out is you need to just let it grow. There is no neckline. Just let it grow until it gets to your neck and it stops growing naturally. Now, if you're growing a beard, if you're starting to grow out a beard, I'm assuming it looks something like this. And if you're just starting to grow a beard, I want you to start doing this. Believe me, you will thank me. You will thank yourself, because if you started out like this for too long, you're eventually going to start playing catch up, and that's going to take away a lot of your beard growth time. So to recap, there's no neckline. Just let it all grow until it naturally stops growing. You don't need to trim anything. If this video helps you out at all, I wish I could have found a video like this. Please comment, subscribe, share my page, and I will be seeing you hopefully very soon. Until then, keep on growing.